Hey, I'm Bobby from Pan for Gold with Bobby Bow, and we're out here with ASR Outdoor looking at their lineup of gold pans. So I'm going to talk to you about the features of a gold pan and how to select one. We're going to start down here with the 10-inch beginner gold pan. All right, there's two sets of riffles on here. You have your fine riffle wall and then your coarse riffle wall. And this is for about a pound of material to process. You're going to take your heavier gravels and go across your coarse riffles. All right, and it's going to capture your finer gravels and your pay where your gold's going to be at. Once you process out the large gravels, you're going to switch sides and go over the fine. All right, you're going to go over the fine riffles and wash out the gravels, and that should just leave you with your blonde sands, your black sands, and your gold in the bottom of the pan. All right, then we move up to 12-inch pan. All right, this again has the two sets of riffles. Okay, but now we're starting to work with a lot more material in here. You could get about 3 pounds of material and successfully manipulate it here. Again, your coarse gravels over the coarse riffles, your fine gravels you wash over the fine riffles, and then you're going to switch to the smooth side. Okay, after you season the pan, switch to the smooth side to separate the blonde sand from the black sand and the gold. After so many times of using these riffles, you're going to get to a point where you want to use a pan with more smooth walls. That's where we move to the 10-inch finishing pan. All right, we have two lighter riffles on this one. This is a pre-seasoned pan. It's nicely textured. Okay, so this is going to be something that you use for a pound of material, especially in doing cleanup of concentrates. All right, available green, black. Color is important in a gold pan. Now, the most common color is black. All right, and this is good because the gold will pop against that black. You'll be able to see it really well. But if you're in an area with a lot of black sand or you're using concentrates, that broken down magnetite is what you're trying to separate from the gold, and it is harder to see in a black pan. That's why we use cool colors, the green and the blue pans, because the black sand will stand out, and so will the gold. All right, then we move up to a larger pan, a 14-inch pan. This is a prospecting pan. Now, the point of a prospecting pan is not to process material, but to find gold. So you're going to stack this up high with 5-10 pounds of material, big rock, everything. You're going to wash off all the rocks, all right, and then start moving them out. You have the riffles if you want to use them, and you do have a water channel to bleed off the water without leaking out your gold. All right, but this pan is about using a lot of material to find just a couple of colors to see if you're on the gold.